Transforming your kitchen into an organized and efficient space doesn't have to be a daunting task. Here are 5 essential tips that will help you make the most of your kitchen space, making it both functional and visually appealing. The first tip is to make use of vertical space. Think beyond just your countertops and cabinets. Install shelves on empty walls, or use magnetic strips and pot racks to hang utensils and cookware. This not only frees up counter space, but also keeps your frequently used items within easy reach. The second tip is to create zones within your kitchen. Designate specific areas for different tasks such as cooking, prepping, and cleaning. For example, keep all your baking supplies together in one section, and your cooking spices and utensils in another. This way, everything has a specific place, and you can easily find what you need. Next, use baskets and bins to corral loose items. This is particularly useful for pantry organization. Group similar items together using clear bins or baskets, making it easy to see what you have and preventing items from getting lost in the back of the pantry. Make sure to regularly check and declutter these bins to keep everything fresh and organized. Labels are your best friend when it comes to kitchen organization. Label everything from your spice jars to your pantry shelves. This not only looks clean and tidy, but also helps everyone in the household know where things belong, making it easier to maintain organization over time. Finally, hide appliances that you don't use every day. Items like blenders, mixers, and toasters can create clutter if left out on the counter. Store them in cabinets or pantry shelves, and only bring them out when you need them. By implementing these 5 simple tips, you can transform your kitchen into an organized, efficient, and beautiful space that you'll enjoy spending time in every day.